Today we're going to be fixing a broken sprinkler pipe that we broke when we were digging up some roots. It broke right here at a T.
It has an open end. This has screw. You screw this on.
Alright, so next thing we're going to do, we're going to use these pipe cutters to get in there and cut it right at the end of the T. And how you tighten is you just give it a couple of squeezes and it will tighten up for you. Do that now. Alright, so now that we have that cut off, we can install our new T. Alright, so what we need to do now is put the new T on, but we're going to need to dig back a little bit on these pipes here to get it to fit on there. Alright, the next thing we're going to do, we need to put the bolts on here, the washers, and then we'll put the compression fittings on there. They come with the T piece. You just slide them on there and get them in a little ways. Alright, so what we want to do is once we have all the different pipes for the T aligned and it will fit in there, we just want to tighten each side a little bit at a time so it will go on evenly. So that's what we're going to do now. What you want to do is turn on the water to test for any leaks. If there are any leaks, you might just want to adjust the tightness and then try again, and that should be everything. Okay, so we tested it out and we saw a little leak, so we're going to go ahead and adjust some of the pipe fittings here.